Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making the Pillsbury Funfetti chocolate premium cake mix with Oreo cookie pieces. I also have the funfetti Oreo icing. The ingredients we're going to need to go along with that are 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, to a bowl we're going to add in our cake mix. Then we're going to add in our vegetable oil, our 3 eggs, and also our cup of water. Okay, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to beat our cake mix with a hand mixer for 2 minutes on medium speed. Okay guys, I'm done mixing my batter. So I have a heart-shaped Bundt pan. So I have some Baker's Joy baking spray with flour. I'm going to go ahead and spray the inside of my pan. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and fill my pan with the cake batter. Okay guys, our Bundt cake is ready to go into the oven. I had extra, so I had a mini Bundt cake pan, so I put it in that also. So we're just going to put it at 350 degrees and we're going to bake it for 34 to 38 minutes. Okay guys, so our Bundt cake is now done. I'm going to let it cool off 10 to 15 minutes before I remove it from the pan. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, I flipped over our Bundt cake. Now I have it on a wire rack and I'm going to let it cool off for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, now all I'm going to do is take my icing and I'm going to transfer it into a microwave safe bowl. And also the cookies from the top, the crushed cookies, I'm going to place it into my bowl. Okay guys, I have my icing inside my microwave. I'm going to put it on for about 60 seconds. And all I wanted to do is thin out so I can pour it over top of our Bundt cake. Okay guys, so the icing has thinned out. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a measuring cup so we can pour it over top of our Bundt cake. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do now is begin to pour the icing over top of our cake. Then I'm going to go ahead and with our Oreo cookies that are crushed. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Pillsbury Funfetti Oreo cake. I also have another video on my channel. It's a homemade Oreo Bundt cake, if you guys would rather make it homemade instead of out of the box. This one came out nice. It smells so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.